Landon, what did you just do?
Kiss my teeth out.
You pulled it out?
Like this.
All by himself.
Let me see.
Turtle Man said
Turtle Man.
he said,
Do it with your bare hands.
yeah.
Is that what Turtle Man said?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
So he did it with his bare hands.
And then let's see your tooth.
Ripped it out of there.
Hand it here.
Turtle
Look here.
Man
There
said,
you
if
go.
you're gonna do it with your bare hands.
Don't put it. There you go.
Isn't that right?
Whoa.
Isn't that right? What Turtle Man said. If you're
Look at
gonna
that.
do it with your bare hands.
Hey, Landon. Good job, buddy. I love you.
I did a hole.
I love you.
I did a hole.
Because your permanent teeth is coming in. Your permanent teeth are going to come in now.
In the morning,
Oh, Daddy's right on into me.
have money in it.
Yep. Ooh.
Two fairy has magic and will make a hole through the thing and come